Holy fuck. That's the first time I'm seeing that, like, far away. It's fucking beautiful. Wow. Ooh, my mom is gonna hate this color. Oh well.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. So I recently did a tutorial with my Modern Renaissance for my sister because I got her that for Christmas. But when I went to IMATS in Atlanta, I got my mom the Soft Glam one. Because before we left a little bit, she had told me she had started getting into makeup and she wanted me to give her some of my eye brushes. Which I did, but whatever. So I also told her that I would do an easy eye look that she could do with this. Because she hasn't done makeup a lot since she was like younger.
Way younger?
So yeah. I made this little tutorial for how to do this eye look for you, Mommy. And Jenny, you can use this tutorial too with your Modern Renaissance. So if you want to try a different look than the one I showed you before, you can do this one with yours. Start off, let me just tell everyone watching this, because you might not realize that when you're doing your makeup. But however much you think you put on more. Like, well, unless you already put on a lot. But you need to be able to see the strong colors. So, like, don't just put a little bit on, just put it on.
Don't be scared.
You can always clean up fallout or clean up your eyes. You can always take the makeup off if you don't like it. But put on more. Stronger eye makeup is better. Oh, and also my friend, well, I guess she's my cousin, Tana, wanted to know a tutorial on how to make her hazel eyes stand out better. And I have green eyes, but they change every once in a while to like a light brownish green. But I mean, they're mostly green. So I guess that's hazel, right? I don't know. So this look is also good for hazel eyes. The brownie colors and the pinky colors will help them stand out. Alright, so let's get right into the tutorial. I hope it's easy enough. If it's not, whatever. Sorry. Man, I didn't fucking cuss in this video once. Yes. Okay, the first shade we're going to go into is this Tempura shade. It's like a light cream shade. Whatever color is closest to your skin color. So I know my mom has eye brushes because she made me give her some of mine. Not that I wouldn't. Just, come on.
She's like, heck yeah, you have brushes, right?
Like, yeah.
She's like, can I have some?
I'm like, not my brushes. I need all my brushes.
But no, I gave her some. Because I'm a good daughter. Now, I'm going to go in with this dusty rose color. It's like a light pink. Like a dusty rose color. That, yeah, I mean, it's aptly named. We're just going to put this starting from the outside and going in the crease. Oh, and it's like on a fluffy brush like that.
Yeah, bring you up. Yeah, come on.
with that same brush, just because it's easier. Go in with this brownie shade, Rustic. It's like a medium brown color. And put that over where you put that dusty rose color.
친구들이 나보고 변했다고 말을 하면 나를 비웃겨. 근데 나도 내가 변할 줄은 몰랐어. 너 때문에 내가 변할 줄은 몰랐어. 예뻐져라 예뻐져. 너만 내게 빠져들 수 있게 예뻐져 예뻐져. 예뻐져라 예뻐져. 그 누구도 다가올 수 없게 예뻐져. Yes, 지금도 네 모습 자꾸 떠올라. 너를 만나러 가고 싶은데.
Start with the same place. And then take one of these flat shader brushes like that. And so since my mom was pink, we're going to go into Mulberry. But you can go into like this really dark brown or very lightly into a black color. But we're going to do this dark red color. Now lightly put your brush in there and like place it on the outer corner of your eye like that. And then take that same brush you were using in your crease and blend it in. Put some glitter glue on the inner corner where there isn't any shadow. If you have glitter glue, if you don't worry about it. Glitter glue just makes the shimmer colors stand out more and stick to your eye rather than fall on your cheeks. And then take a small shader brush like that. And again, because my mom loves pink, we're going to go into rose pink right there. We can use any shimmer shade, like a gold one or whatever shimmery, glittery color that you like. And just put that color over the glitter glue or over that blank space that we left on the inside of your eye. Looks like. Now, I'm going to go back into that dark color we put on the outside very lightly with the crease brush, the bigger one. And then I'm going to lightly blend the shimmer and the outside color together. Mostly going back to the inside of that. On the outside. Just make them blend it. The shimmer and the outside. Alright, we're going to use the brush from the palette. I know my mom has it, and I know Jenny has it. I'll tell you. Okay. And go into that rustic color, that light brown that we put on first, and put that on the small end. And lightly tap that on your lower lash line. Do the same thing on the other side. And then now go in whatever color you use on the outer corner of your eye, or the edge of your eye, whatever you call it. Like this one, I use the Mulberry. So whatever dark color, put that on that small end of the brush too. But only put that on the bottom, or the outer third of your eye. Just stick that on carefully. And then take your other end of your brush, or another clean, fluffier brush, and just back and forth. Mostly from the outside in. Just go back and forth. So this is the finished look. You don't have to wear this color lips if you don't want to, Mom, Jenny, Tana, whatever. I like it. It's brand new. I just got it in the mail. That's why I'm wearing it. It's gorgeous. I love it. Anyway. So that was a little tutorial. It's fairly easy. Easy way to do your eyes. And Jenny, I use the shades that you can use with the Modern Renaissance instead of with this one. That way it's like the same idea. So I'll insert close-up pictures of it so it's easier to see. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps, Mom. Since you're doing your makeup more, I love you.